Does Sharp Smart TV have AirPlay? Some Sharp Smart TVs support Apple AirPlay, but compatibility depends on the model and operating system. Sharp TVs that run Roku TV OS or Android TV with AirPlay support can stream content from Apple devices, while other models may require third-party apps or external devices. 1. How to check if your Sharp Smart TV supports AirPlay. Step 1. Press the Home button on the remote and go to Settings. Step 2. Look for Apple AirPlay and HomeKit in the Settings menu. Step 3. If AirPlay is listed, enable it and follow the on-screen instructions to connect an Apple device. Step 4. If not available, AirPlay is not built in, and other methods may be needed. 2. How to use AirPlay on a compatible Sharp Smart TV. Step 1. Ensure the TV and Apple device, iPhone, iPad, Mac, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your Apple device, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 3. Select the Sharp Smart TV from the list. Step 4. Enter the AirPlay code displayed on the TV if prompted. 3. What to do if your Sharp TV doesn't have AirPlay. If AirPlay is not available, you can still stream content using Apple TV device. Connect an Apple TV box to enable full AirPlay support. Third-party apps. Install apps like AirScreen on an Android-based Sharp TV to mirror Apple devices. HDMI cable. Use a Lightning to HDMI adapter for a wired connection. 4th, AirPlay features on Sharp Smart TVs. Stream movies, music, and photos from an Apple device to the TV. Screen mirroring for presentations, gaming, and browsing. Multi-device connectivity for sharing content between iPhones, iPads, and Macs. 5th, alternatives to AirPlay for Sharp Smart TVs. If your Sharp Smart TV does not support AirPlay, you can use Chromecast for streaming from iPhones via Google Home or compatible apps. Miracast for wireless screen sharing on Android-based Sharp TVs. Roku Streaming Stick adds AirPlay support to non-AirPlay Sharp Roku TVs. Some Sharp Smart TVs support AirPlay, mainly Roku TV models and newer Android TVs, while others may require Apple TV, third-party apps, or alternative streaming methods. Users should check their TV settings to confirm compatibility and enable AirPlay if supported.